Hi, here's a cool prank you can play on your friends if they step away from their computer. It'll turn their website they're on from this into this. Let's figure out how this works and how to do it ourselves. Let's destroy my webpage, radian628.github.io. First of all, press Ctrl-Shift-I to open your browser developer tools and go to the console. Then type in document.querySelectorAll followed by parentheses. When in the parentheses, put an asterisk surrounded by quotes. Let's break down how this works. Web pages are built out of a tree of HTML elements. For instance, within my page, you have the entire page. Inside of that, you have the section containing some introductory stuff and the section containing my projects. Inside of the introductory thing, you have this header and you have this paragraph of text. Each of these are different HTML elements. Document.querySelectorAll is a function in the programming language JavaScript that tells us to search for and gather a list of these HTML elements that fit some criteria. Putting an asterisk into it tells us that we want all of the HTML elements. So this whole thing is now just an array of every single HTML element on the page. Next we put .forEach, which is a function that runs another function once for every single element in the array. So in other words, we're going to run a function for every HTML element on this page. Next, we put quotes, and then we put a variable called element to represent some arbitrary element, and then we put this arrow. What we've created is called an arrow function, with its first parameter being element. As stated before, the forEach function will pass every element into the first parameter exactly once. This parameter will take on the value of every single HTML element on this page exactly once, thus allowing us to do something to each HTML element exactly once. Alright, now here's where the cool stuff happens. Type out element.style to transform. This lets us change how the element is positioned, rotated, and scaled. We set it equal to this weird string-looking thing with backticks. Inside of the string, put rotate followed by parentheses. Within the parentheses, put a $, curly braces, and the letters D, E, and G. What this is going to do is going to rotate the HTML element by a specific number of degrees. How many degrees? That's what we're putting in the curly braces. Let's make it math.random times 40 minus 20 to rotate each element by a random number between -20 and 20 degrees. And there we go, we've completed the effect. If you want to pull this up quickly on a friend's computer to troll them, here's the link you can use to easily get the snippet of code so you can paste it in. And to be clear, this is completely harmless. All you need to do to fix it is to refresh the page, so unless your friend has unsaved work, nothing bad will happen. Have fun trolling! Oh yeah, one last thing before I leave. Some of you might be wondering where I've been and why I haven't been uploading in a month. The main reason is because I have a lot of schoolwork. However, it's a new term now and I have a lot more time. I think, maybe, perhaps. There's a small but non-zero chance that something will go horribly wrong. Anyway, expect more uploads soon. Thanks for watching.